40-inch hair, yours came in a pack. Camel toe fat, you can see it from the back.
Welcome back with another video, and today I'll be unboxing this jewelry that this company sent over for me to review. Forever love, love you all my life. Very beautiful. Definitely love the roses. You open it up like this and it plays music. This is Karativa customized music rose flower jewelry box. The price is $49 right now. Use my coupon code Avanti to get 10% off. Here's what the ring looks like on my finger. Very pretty. If the ring doesn't fit you, it's not returnable if you remove this. Karativa flower halo silver ring. The price is $69. These are the earrings. Greeting card. This is to keep your jewelry clean. A thank you card. A gift bag, and just in case you want to give a gift to someone. I rate this company 10 out of 10. I definitely love all the jewelries, but I do have a favorite one. The custom jewelry box is my favorite. And also, the diamond ring is my favorite.
don't give a fuck who talk behind my back, 'cause the bitch knew better than to let me hear. Hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thigh shape.